there, interior design enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your living room into a stylish haven? Today, we are sharing 7 simple steps to achieve a complete living room makeover in 2024. Let's dive into some exciting decorating ideas. Step 1: Planning and inspiration. Start by envisioning your dream living room. Gather inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or interior design websites. Create a mood board to visualize your ideas and establish a cohesive theme for your makeover. Step 2: Declutter and clean. Before diving into the makeover, declutter your living room and purge any unnecessary items. Clean the space thoroughly to create a fresh canvas for your design transformation. Step 3: Furniture layout and selection. Next, assess your furniture layout and consider rearranging pieces to optimize space and flow. If needed, invest in new furniture that complements your design vision. Choose pieces that are both stylish and functional for a balanced look. Step 4: Wall treatments and paint. Inject personality into your living room with wall treatments and paint. Experiment with bold accent walls, textured wallpaper, or statement paint colors to create visual interest. Step 5: Lighting and ambience. Lighting is key to setting the mood in your living room. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to enhance the ambience. Consider adding floor lamps, pendant lights, or sconces to create layers of light and add warmth to the space. Step 6: Soft furnishings and accessories. Layer in soft furnishings and accessories to add texture and personality to your living room. Play with throw pillows, cozy blankets, and stylish rugs to add warmth and comfort. Step 7: Final touches and styling. Finally, finish your living room makeover by styling shelves, coffee tables, and mantels. Experiment with different arrangements and groupings to create visual interest. Remember, styling is all about balance and showcasing your style. And there you have it, 7 simple steps to achieve a complete living room makeover in 2024. With a little planning, creativity, and inspiration, you can transform your living space into a stylish and inviting retreat. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more decorating ideas, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.